Bots Room has been around for over 6 years and is the community everyone uses for strategy development for options and Forex. With market veterans with over 20 years of experience, what could be better? Join now and get immediate exclusive access to interesting member-driven strategies based on custom indicators, incredible in-depth discussions, quality trading education regarding the different types of markets. More about why mentality, risk management, and discipline are so important. Start your journey with a group of like-minded members who want to improve. Today, just about anyone that is interested in Forex or Nadex, binary options, or quite frankly trading in general, should consider it a point to buy a membership to Bots Strategy Development Room. Regardless of your experience level, you can now join in and begin learning from other amazing members. The whole point of this service is to try and connect like-minded individuals together to form a collective of ideas to try and help everyone improve. Anyone who has traded for nearly any period of time knows trading is hard, very hard. It takes time to develop strategies and try and learn how to control risk. We try and help by offering a community in which members can share their experiences and what they are working on to decrease the time to learn these valuable lessons. We try and do our best to help create a warm, active community which looks for unique ways we can try and gain some kind of an edge over the market. Members aim to make the most of every single day by watching and working toward developing their own strategy from the charts. Once you subscribe, you will see why people feel that no other community can compare to it. If you are still not convinced, you will soon find that transparency is everything to us. Exactly how our members are doing whether good or bad. We pride ourselves in giving any new subscribers an accurate picture of how other members reported they did in the room. Also, we want our current and long-time subscribers to be able to go back see how they have progressed since joining the community. Transparent member results are key. Grab a full membership today. Join tons of other traders who made the leap in joining our incredible community room where you can learn from so many other great members. Our members have started to learn what seems to work more often and what doesn't seem to work. So, with then pairing together the knowledge the community has with you, we hope to help you gain the knowledge to faster find your edge too. Start your journey with a group of like-minded members who want to improve. Check out link in the description.